Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best iced coffee maker is Muller Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Making a chilled glass of barista quality caffeinated goodness is easier than ever with the Muller Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Make up to 8 cups of refreshingly smooth, rich cold brew concentrate that is naturally 65% less acidic than traditional hot coffee. This unique stainless steel filter will work to maximize extraction and minimize any sediment or bitterness for the perfect brew tailored to your flavors. Each part of the cold brew maker has been designed to enhance your brewing experience. Starting with a cold brew pitcher that is made from non-toxic Triton plastic for a glass-like look but with heavy-duty shatter resistance, ergonomic handle and easy-adjust lid make the brewer easy to handle. An added plus is removable mesh core that won't rust over time or leave you with lingering metallic taste like other iced coffee makers. You prepare your brew, seal in the flavors with the airtight and leak-proof lid and conveniently place the pitcher in the refrigerator at any angle, even lying down. The design is also sized to fit most refrigerator doors. Enjoy a more full-bodied brew with the extra-large 2-liter size that keeps your brew fresh for up to 2 weeks. Number 2 in our side is Primula Burke Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. This unique cold brew extraction process produces flavorful, full-bodied cold brewed coffee and tea. The perfect gift for any novice or coffee enthusiast. Something to enjoy and use for many years. Save money and time by making incredibly rich and smooth cold brewed coffee at home. It has never been easier and more affordable. All you need is a Primula cold brew coffee maker for incredible results. Simply add coffee grounds to the brew filter, pour cold water over the coffee, and let brew overnight or to desired strength. Serve cold, over ice or hot. Add milk, creamer, syrups or flavorings to fit your taste preferences, or add ice for an extra refreshing cup of coffee. Designed to make cold brewing easy and mess-free. Easy to use, dishwasher safe, effortless cleanup, durable glass construction, removable filter, and fits most refrigerator doors or shelves. Makes up to 6 cups of smooth, delicious cold brewed coffee. A slow brewed cup of cold brewed coffee is the perfect way to start the day. Create the cold brewed coffee you can't wait to wake up to. Primula makes cold brew simple and affordable. Third in our best iced coffee maker list is Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. This cold brewing is 70% less acidic than hot brewing. And richer in taste. Our cold brewer extracts coffee concentrate which can be stored and mixed with an endless variety of beverages to create your own perfect, personal cup of joy. Now 1.5x bigger than the original, get ready for more coffee. Recommended grind size is coarse. Airtight seal. Easy access handle. Engineered to perfectly fit within your fridge shelf. Experience refined craftsmanship you can always count on. 18x8 rust-free superfine laser cut filter, medical-grade stainless steel filter and lid cap. Extra thick, lab-tested borosilicate glass. BPA-free silicone airtight seal. Dishwasher safe. Non-slip rubber cushion base for extra protection. Professional home brewing has never been this easy, just mix and pour. Great for loose leaf tea. Or tea bags. Brew it hot like a traditional teapot, or brew it cold in the fridge. Take your brewing and hosting skills to the next level. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Mr. Coffee Iced Coffee Maker. The simple measuring system with included scoop makes it easy to brew the perfect ratio of hot, concentrated coffee over a full tumbler of ice, ensuring bold, flavorful coffee that's never watered down. too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. By making your own iced coffee at home, you can skip the lines and save big, too. Make refreshing iced coffee at home. Just add water and coffee grounds to the machine, ice to the tumbler, and brew. Customize with your favorite flavorings and milks for a perfect, flavorful iced coffee just how you like it. Easy to use measuring scoop and tumbler markings for consistently great taste. Double wall insulated, BPA-free tumbler keeps iced coffee colder longer and reduces sweating, plus includes a lid and straw. Also includes a reusable nylon coffee filter, so there's no need for paper filters. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Wyrsch Iced Coffee Maker. The Wyrsch Iced Coffee Maker comes with a reusable removable filter basket which works with fresh ground coffee, tea bags, and loose leaf teas, saving money and decreasing waste from paper filters. Whether you're in the mood for a chilled day at home or want to savor the flavor on the go, the Wyrsch Iced Coffee Maker comes with a convenient grab-and-go 22 ounces double-wall reusable tumbler. The tumbler is made of high-quality food-class material, totally BPA-free and safe, so you are all set to enjoy a great day. Making refreshing iced coffee at home is never so easy. Just add water and coffee grounds to the coffee maker, ice to the tumbler, then press start button to brew. You are ready to sip. The drip stop selector dial lets you control the coffee drips easily, prevents mess on your counter,